everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are visiting one of the nearest and easy to hike fort around Pune City. In front of us we have Korigard Fort, mountain with its noticeable presence. All whereabouts and approach details are mentioned in the description of this video. Once you park your vehicle at parking spot near base village, this trek starts with walking trail of almost 700 meters. At this point you will surely realize that ambience here is hypnotic. It's without urban noises, city traffics, honking vans. You will only listen to nature here after in whole trek. While walking, you have to make sure you are keeping eye on right side of the track. After almost 700 meters, you will arrive one small diversion along right side of the track. After entering this path, you will witness small forest walk which takes you towards starting point of the stairs. In case you are visiting this place early morning, then you might come along with monkeys. Being patient is the only great way while passing them peacefully. They will never mess with you in case you are not intruding their spaces or not disturbing them with unnecessary gestures or noises. After climb of 10 to 15 minutes, you will notice huge and well carved cave alongside Lord Ganesha temple. We will eventually discuss about history of this fort onwards. Let me tell you most noticeable part of this hike. This fort has lots of caves and water reservoirs along hiking path as well as plateau of the mountain. Almost every cave is well carved and very intact. Maybe after 6-7 centuries or more than that. Unfortunately, I am unable to get any information about when and who has built this fort, but historical references do point its origin towards 13th century. It was era of Yadav and Shilahars dynasty within this area. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj included this fort in Maratha Empire along with Lohgad, Visapur, Tung and Tikona in 1657. As I said earlier about caves and water reservoirs, this one contains enough drinkable water in this hot summer as well. I have missed to mention most important point earlier that this fort have end-to-end stairs. Hence it comes under easy category. There are no challenging patches or trails in whole trek. Hence this trek is not for thrill seekers. From this point, you will be able to see eastern side of fortification. And now you are about to reach main entrance of the fort. This is collapsed walkway wherein you cannot go ahead at this point. New stairs built alongside to bypass this entrance. Here comes main entrance, which is undoubtedly gigantic and beautifully created to suit size and shape of this fort. Tiredness of almost all hike flies away after watching this creation from our ancestors. Almost no one can resist themselves from clicking snaps of this place. After entering through the gate, you are on plateau with almost 3 kilometers of perimeter. On this plateau, there are 3 temples, 2 large water ponds, 6 cannons, 2 caves made up of small connected blocks, and multiple remains of old buildings. Honestly, you might witness this as one of the fort with such large plateau. These cannons in front of Lord Shiva temple are in well preserved state. You can see cannonballs kept in front of each one. Not sure if everyone feels the same, but getting closer to them and thinking about wars they might have fought and enemies they have pushed back to protect the empire brings goosebumps on me every time. Small walk of 10 minutes will take you towards largest temple on this plateau, dedicated to goddess Korai. This can easily accommodate 10 to 15 people. In monsoon season, this is a major shelter for hikers. Besides this temple, here we have largest cannon on this fort, known as Lakshmi Top, which is facing towards south direction. Southern Ridge do have two entrances to this fort. Small one is here and larger one we are going to watch ahead. None of these are functional nowadays, as routes towards these gates are completely collapsed. Few of the major forts like Tung, Tikona, Prabhalgarh, Karnala, and Manikgarh ranges, Nagfani Point are visible from this fort. This is major entrance at the southern ridge, which is not functional as I said earlier. I wasn't able to find any path to descend towards it. But you can see it's still intact and very well preserved. Hope you liked this video. I have tried to showcase almost all places on this fort. Please share this video with friends and family. Also hit like button, which will encourage me to travel more and bring such content for you. Due to unfortunate accident with my drone, I was able to capture only one angle of this fort. But I am very much sure that you are going to love it. We'll meet in next video. Till then, stay safe and take care of your family. Thank you.